Hey guys, welcome back. We have another episode for you today. Today's a little unusual. So we picked up this piano on Craigslist from a lady who's moving, and for the most part, it works really well. But the sustain pedal, is not working. Upon further examination, we found out that the cable that's controlled that controls the pedals, it's frayed. So what we're going to do today is we're going to just replace this and try to bring this thing back to its full glory. So in closing, we destroyed the harness clip, taking out the male wire leads. So what we ended up doing was plugging it in manually one by one, and it seems to work out well. So we got the, I think, what's it say? Black, white, yellow, red. So plugging that in, it fixed the problem. So now when we depress the pedal, that's what it works. Although it's not real pronounced. I think this is just one of them is a soft. You never know with these things. Well, anyway, so the problem's fixed. I hope this helps you.